Oh, that's
You by
comfortable.
hearted it
Oh,
so
yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
Can you sing for us?
కోరి వర్ణం వర్ణం సరి సరి కలిసేనే నయనం నయనం ఉరికిన వాగం చుట్టంలో వస్తావి చూసి ఐ యూస్ టు సే చుట్టంలో వస్తావి చూసి వెళ్ళిపోతావి దే వర్ లైక్ వై ఆర్ యూ సింగింగ్ ప్లేన్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి చుట్టంలో వస్తావి చూసి దాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యూస్ టు యూ താരമെല്ലാം ദൂരെ ദൂരെ താണ്ടുവാനേറെ മിഴിയിൽ വന്ന് വീഴും മുന്നേ ചെയ്യുവാനേറെ മാറുവാനുറപ്പിൽകിടം തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ சொன்னதெல்லாம் பகலில் புரிவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் பகலில் புரிவை நீ சொல்லாததும் இரவினில் புரிவை मेरे दिल की राहतों का तू जरिया बन गई है तेरे इश्क भी मेरे दिल में कई दम बन गए हैं तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है.
I know you are from Kerala.
అవును.
So how come you are pursuing your career or any kind of opportunities in Telugu state in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh?
So actually I had given auditions for Telugu Indian Idol in 2021.
Okay.
So they already had my contact.
Must be difficult for you to sing in Telugu or Telugu lyrics. You had any struggles in convincing your parents, or they might have opposed you, right, for this career? Which life was better, girls' education or mixed?
I liked girls.
So you said you are a part of a band. So when did you find out about this passion of yours? Like I want to sing.
I started learning Carnatic music like when I was 4, okay. But when I was 4, Carnatic.
Okay.
So when
First time college performance కాకుండా official stage performance ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చారు?
LKG.
IDTV మన ఉనికి మన వాణి.
Hi Shweta garu.
Hi.
I know you are from Kerala.
అవును.
So how come you are pursuing your career or any kind of opportunities in Telugu state in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh?
So actually I had given auditions for Telugu Indian Idol in 2021.
Okay.
So they already had my contact. Okay. So when they were coming up with a new season of Super Singer, the same crew was in Super Singer as well. So they contacted me, and I thought of giving it a try in Telugu songs.
So were you trying any opportunities in Kerala before this?
Yes, I had participated in reality show in Kerala, and after that I sang for a couple of movies there. I was doing shows and recordings there. So this Telugu Super Singer was a new thing, so I thought of giving it a try.
It must be difficult for you to sing in Telugu or Telugu lyrics some kind of.
Yeah, lyrics, of course I had to by heart a lot of lyrics. It was very tough initially.
Yeah.
But it's like most of the songs had a Tamil version as well.
Yeah,
So the music part I don't need to work on. It's just the lyrics part.
So as you are from Kerala, what kind of family background you have, or your parents?
My parents, my dad is an accountant.
Okay.
He was in Dubai. After COVID, he came back to Kerala. And my mom is a housewife. I have a sister. I have an elder sister. She's a teacher. She teaches chemistry.
Okay.
She has a baby.
It's complete contrast to your. So like you had any struggles in convincing your parents, or they might have opposed you, right, for this career?
No, never. So, the only thing is like they were concerned about, okay, what if this doesn't work out?
Yeah, that's the point I'm asking.
Yeah, because music industry, like film industry as a whole is a very dynamic place to be. We can't rely on what will happen.
Parents-
Yeah. We
Parents
might or might
ఎక్కువగా
not get
ఆలోచిస్తారు
something.
అంటే లైక్ పేరెంట్స్
Ah.
ఎక్కువగా ఆలోచిస్తారు
Ah.
కదా మనీ మేకింగ్ ఉండదు
Yeah, exactly.
ఆపర్చునిటీస్
Exactly. So they wanted me to complete my studies. Like even if they allowed me, like there were no objection from their end. But the only condition was you should complete your post graduation. So
Post graduation.
Yeah. So at
Okay.
least I can, if this doesn't work out, you can always switch back to your mains and
ఓకే లైక్ ప్లాన్ బి బ్యాకప్ ప్లాన్
backup plan. I work now, like I'm doing my job and my
Oh.
classes and recordings, everything parallel.
మల్టీ టాలెంటెడ్ పర్సన్ మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్
No, each and every singer is like that only these days.
okay
It's not just music.
as you said now you have you completed your post graduation
Yeah.
what qualification
My stream was environmental science, MSc.
oh environmental science nature lover
Yeah, nature lover, biology.
biology so what was your college life was like
My college was like
have you ever bunked your classes
oh yeah. Like, of course, that what kind of a question is that?
it was compulsory it is compulsory in education
It is compulsory. So I till my post graduation I was in girls institute only. Okay.
oh
Yeah, it was fun. To be honest, I like to study in girls institute.
okay
So in post graduation, I thought, okay, I might not be doing another course. I thought of going to a mixed college, but
Okay.
I don't know, for some reason, more than a mixed kind of environment, I missed my this
so you
course.
never had a co-education like from schooling to
Graduation. I didn't have.
you didn't have so you didn't get any proposals from your college you don't have any love stories just came out of
Yeah, I have, but it was in not from my college. Like it's just proposal and everything. Love story. I just had 2 years, and from that to 1 year, COVID took my
so
1
you
year.
had 2 years relationship or you have just
No, I only had 2 years of mixed college.
okay
Life.
okay 2 years of COVID okay ఆ టైంలో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఏమైనా చిల్లర శకలు
Friends. Sorry.
సో లైక్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నాడీ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ కోవిడ్
Mixed. No, nothing like that.
you don't have any friends like not boyfriends friends in boys
Friends and boys. I used to have. Like, the only thing that I can remember is we had a music band and we used to have a lot of fun while practicing.
oh you were part of a music band
College band.
okay okay okay
And my labs and everything were fun. I just had only 1 year in college.
Fun, yeah. So which life was better, girls education or mixed?
Girls. I liked girls.
Why
girls
like?
college.
I mean, everyone says co-ed education or friends
Maybe I didn't maybe I didn't have that much time in a mixed college, maybe because of that, but I don't know. But but in a women's college, it's like a completely different.
Completely.
Yeah, we can do whatever we want, you know.
Yeah, we
It's
don't have
not,
to think of okay, someone is watching me.
Someone is watching. It's not just about somebody is watching me. It's just a lot of sharing.
Yeah.
It's like girls supporting girls is a different thing. you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
It's a very different kind of
So
vibe.
what you prefer, a friendship with boy or a friendship with girl?
I have a lot of girls as friends, and that's a very comfortable place for me to share with. I prefer girls.
No, some people will say like girls don't.
I
like
have
girls.
I have a lot of girls and boys as friends, but girls supporting girls is I love that kind of vibe.
Yeah. So you said you are a part of a band. So when did you find out about this passion of yours? Like I want to sing.
I want to say, I started learning Carnatic music like when I was 4. Okay, but when I was 4, Carnatic.
Okay.
So even though I used to learn, I never thought ki okay, this I want to. Firstly, I started as a Bharatanatyam student.
Classical dancer.
I
Okay.
started Bharatanatyam even
Okay.
before music.
Okay.
But of course, like, it was the same institute. Okay, my teacher's son used to teach music, So that is
So dance and music at
Bharatanatyam.
one place.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that's more convenient. But I never thought to take music as a career because I didn't know how to get into this industry. I just sing. Like you ask me to sing a song, you ask me to learn a song, I'll participate in competition, I'll win, I'll get prizes, and
So you just don't realize
I
it.
realized okay, it was just a part of my academics.
Okay.
But after a few years I understood ki okay, there's some connection. Okay. Then only I started having this boredom. Realization. Okay, then only I thought when I was in my college, I had a show with this we have Stephen Devasi. He's a very
Okay.
famous keyboard player, pianist.
Okay. In your college.
No, he's a professional.
Oh, sorry.
And we had a show with Karthik
Okay.
sir and Stephen sir. So that was the first time I sang on a very big stage in front of a very big crowd. It was like a 500,000 people.
First stage performance?
No, not first stage performance. First that kind of big stage and big
Okay,
concert wala vibe, no?
बहुत सारे artists के बारे में.
No. Then when I was on stage, it felt different. It felt like okay, this is where I belong. This is I want to do in my life. This is something that I want to do in my life. So I thought ki, okay, why not?
Why not give it a try?
Why not give it a try? So then backing that, I got recordings. I started performing, and after that, of course, I had to switch to my jobs and everything, night shifts and everything. But after 3 years, in 2023, I got a call from Super Singer.
Okay.
That was completely different. My life was going in very same direction. Nothing
Routine life,
interesting.
same
Just
office.
work life, some Instagram posts, reels and everything. But no major things were happening.
Yeah.
But after Super Singer was like a completely a very
It's a
big
turn-
change,
like a turning point.
roundabout. It took me to completely different direction, and now I feel I don't regret choosing music because ultimately it's something that I really wanted to do in my life, and it brings me a lot of peace.
Okay. First time college performance కాకుండా official stage performance ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చారు?
LKG.
LKG. LKG was your first performance?
LKG, like we used to have youth festival, these
Okay,
kids
okay.
action songs.
Okay.
Yeah, my mom used to teach me a lot of action songs, Malayalam action songs.
Action songs.
Action songs, light music, chinna light music.
Okay.
So I used to participate in light music, action song, Malayalam poem recitation.
స్కూల్లో అసెంబ్లీస్ లో పాడించారా మీతో?
Prayer song, poem.
మొత్తానికి పాడేశారనమాట. సో అంటే మీకు కష్టం అవ్వలేదా జాబ్ అండ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ట్రైనింగ్ అలాంటిది ఏమన్నా?
Yeah, sometimes it gets clashed, but as
Like
long
ever
as
thought of giving it up anyone you have, if you are in a situation you have to choose only one, did you get into any kind of situation like that?
not yet.
Not
Luckily,
yet.
not yet.
Luckily not yet. Okay.
Not yet.
I hope you don't get into that situation.
Because most of the companies are offering very flexible working hours. As long as we complete the work on time, they doesn't have any problem.
Okay.
It's just my time management. My schedule is really packed. These
Yeah,
days.
yeah, yeah.
That
Okay.
is the only thing. Sleeplessness.
But still eyes are beautiful. సో లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, మీ బాస్ కి మీ ఫేమ్ కొంచెం ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుందా మిమ్మల్ని?
So I work in a music company only. They provide online music education.
ఓకే ఓకే.
So having me is a great thing
Okay.
for him.
It is a win-win situation for both of you.
No. So it's fine.
Benefit. మీకు
Symbiotic relationship.
symbiotic. So educational terminology.
Biology.
Biology. Hate biology. You are a good student, I guess.
I was a good student.
Who is more education person, you or your sister? I can tell your sister, if she is a chemistry teacher, I must say she is a
I'll say my sister because my GK is like minus. It's not even zero. It's minus
Compared to your
minus
sister or
100.
in general?
Compared to in general, my
Okay.
GK is like I don't know, maybe I don't. Okay, this is something that I don't want to say in public, but
You can share with us.
yeah, it's like I don't know. I don't know. I'm really bad in GK.
Yeah, okay.
So my sister
Same
is,
energy. I don't know GK either.
my sister is a very updated person in all these terms. She whenever we have a talk, she's like, hey, you know now this happened. No, I don't know what happened.
You're completely out of the world.
Oh.
No, I only live like you are like I'm only living my world, my work. That's it.
Yeah, not like that though, but maybe I'm less interested in all these things.
Okay.
I tried to do, but I fail all the time.
So, do you not watch any politics or any kind of social?
Social media, whatever I can see in social media, that's my GK.
So, you use Instagram, right? Like,
Yeah.
you have 22K followers. So, what kind of feed do you see in your reels or? I must ask.
That's a these days my feed is very interesting. It's like
So, some people get some kind of dark
it's music videos, of course, music production.
work related on. Or
No,
work
no,
related?
I don't entertain that kind of thing. I'll just put not interested. And next is cooking videos.
Oh, you like cooking?
I love cooking.
You know cooking?
I cook.
What kind of food do you like to cook or eat?
Anything I love food. I'm a big foodie.
Good foodie.
Yeah.
Like, do you have any special recipe that only you know or you want to make for
I
someone
like
special?
my sambar.
Sambar? You're a sambar guy?
I am sambar.
So, like, have you ever thought of making this as a career? Just
Cooking?
like, yeah.
No,
No?
not that, not
That
to that
professional?
level.
Not
It's
that.
for my satisfaction only. I cook.
మీ పేరెంట్స్ మీరు ఇంట్లో కుక్ చేస్తారు కదా అప్పుడప్పుడు మీ పేరెంట్స్ ఏమన్నా డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఓ గాడ్ షీస్ కుకింగ్ ఆర్
No.
కుకింగ్
My mom likes whatever I cook.
Yeah. What about your sister? Like siblings always criticize us.
She also cooks. She tries to experiment differently. I am like a very normal
Okay.
dal rice, sambar rice, comfort food.
She's a chemist, she tries to
She likes to experiment with cakes and everything.
cake. What kind of experiments does she do? Have you ever eaten something?
Yeah, she cooks food.
No, like some kind of experimented food. Cake. You said experiment with cake, right?
Hmm.
So what kind of have you ever tasted weird food in your life, like just like that combination or anything?
No, nothing like that.
No. So, as you said, I'm taking this as a career question. So, when did you started? Like, when did you officially started this career? No.
Music.
Yeah.
Music as a career. I started in 2016, 17.
Okay.
2017 was the first reality show that I participated. Before that as well, I used to participate in shows, but officially people started to recognize me after Super 4. That was the name of the show, Malayalam
Okay.
show. And after that, only opportunities, like I started getting opportunities, I started getting recordings, shows and everything. So from there only my official music career started.
Have you ever faced any kind of struggles in getting opportunities, or have you ever missed an opportunity that was in your hand?
Of course, a lot. a lot. Like rejections and struggles are like part and parcel. It just comes and goes.
No, like some people say that everyone have this thought of influence has more importance than talent in any kind of interest. Like
Influence, firstly, it depends on the talent. Okay, without talent, there's a limit. Somebody can influence someone. Okay, talent is the main thing, but of course, if you have, I think influence is a bad word. Okay, like if we have
Connections,
connections.
yeah, sorry,
If
my
no. if we have somebody to support us that knows us who we can trust on, things can get a little easy, but to an extent.
So like it also misses, like someone who is good better than them will lose that chance, right? Because of that. So
Yeah,
it might
वो तो है.
वो तो है.
It happens.
It happens.
And it has happened with me as well, and it happens in every artist's life. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just
Yeah.
ha-
But
have-
like how I take that is, if that is not meant for me, okay, let it go. Let the other person take that. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah,
But-
let the other thing come.
it might hurt you, right?
It of course it hurts me. It hurts. It actually hurts. But it's fine. If that is not meant for me, I'll get something better than that.
Okay. Very good positive attitude.
Yeah. we
Everyone
to
should
be
have
like
a
this.
patience and
అవును.
అవును చిన్న చిన్నగా భలే మాట్లాడతారు. అవును ఏదైనా తెలుగులో చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్.
ఓకే. I know basic Telugu to
బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నారా, డిన్నర్ చేస్తారా,
డిన్నర్.
డిన్నర్ చేస్తారా, డిన్నర్ కి ఏం కావాలి.
If you marry a Telugu boy, how would you manage?
So that I can learn better Telugu.
You can learn better.
Better Telugu.
Okay, you have already planned, like if I get this, I'll do this. If I get this, I'll do this.
Oh.
You're a perfect person in planning your career or anything.
Yeah.
As I observed till now.
Okay.
So yeah. So is there any kind of what you say, like I don't want to use such words, but any kind of casting couches in music industry also? Casting couch, like
Casting
do
couch.
like some music directors or will some kind of favors or commitments?
Commitments in a bad way.
Yeah.
In a bad way. It has, even like every industry has that. So initially it used to be in the it used to be just in the acting industry, but in music industry as well, there are like that. I don't want to take names. I don't want to like talk more about
So,
this. But
have you ever experienced or just heard about it in this industry?
I once had an experience, but I myself thought of like got a way out of that.
So, like,
it's
will they chase after you about that, or just if you reject them, they just okay, let it go like that? In old days, they might some
Threaten you.
threaten you, chase you, or వెంటబడి వేధిస్తుంటారు కదా, లైక్ ఒప్పుకో నీకు కెరియర్ ఉండదు, లైక్ అలా ఉంటది కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు అలా ఉన్నారా, లేకపోతే
things don't work like that now, because even if there are a lot of ways for young talents to come up. Okay,
so this will be the least in the list. Like
if somebody is like that, there are people can respond, and that itself would be a threat to them as well.
so it's not that a big deal. It's just we can overcome it. I have zero knowledge in this industry or
like
anything.
we can let go of that thing, and
Okay.
rather than thinking about that, work on your music.
అంటే ఇలాంటి ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ అయ్యింది అని మీరు మీ ఇంట్లో చెప్పారు ఎప్పుడైనా, లైక్ ఇంట్లో కానీ పేరెంట్స్కి ఎవరికొకటి హూ ఆర్ యూ క్లోజ్ టు
Huh.
చెప్పారు? సో వాళ్ళు ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యారు? ఓకే వద్దు ఇంకా ఇలా.
No. My parents and my family has been really supportive in all these aspects, because they told me, if you are having such kind of an experience, let yourself out of that thing, but don't, like, they have never told me ki, okay, just because this has happened you quit music. No, nothing like that.
ఓకే యూ జస్ట్ బీ సేఫ్. Okay. Very like what kind of upbringing you have? You like any your parents were always reserved you, or like be a brave, give your opinion on anything or like that? Well,
My family, not my parents and my, like, me and my parents, nothing, but my family as a whole is like it's a very village, very
Okay.
Pata family. I'm not saying orthodox, they no, it's not orthodox.
Not completely orthodox, not completely advanced.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So my mom have always told me ki okay, I was not that kind of girl who like listens to everything that
Okay, she doesn't know, you don't know by anyone, like not everyone, only some.
no, yeah, I'll just ask my parents for permission. I don't think what other people
Just like
thinks.
relatives,
Huh?
just like relatives, like, do you consider?
No, nothing like that. My relatives are very supportive. They love seeing me on screen. They are very proud of me.
No, yeah, some toxic
I
relatives.
know.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. So parents get listened by them why she is doing all this, like she can
No,
get
my
settled.
mom always had a clarity of what am I doing.
Hmm.
My parents always had a clarity of where am I going, why am I going for, what kind of things am I involved in. They always had a clarity, and I clearly communicated with them. Okay.
So you have a very good
Very good communication.
very good communication. So it's very beautiful and simple family.
Yeah.
So again, about your career, like anything you have faced, not like bad way. You said you are in a Super Singer runner-up. So do you get paid in contesting in the like in that?
They used to take care of our allowances, accommodation, traveling, and everything.
Just for that?
Yeah.
So they don't give any money.
No.
Just so it's just they give the allowance. You say. Do you face any politics or some kind of like a favoritism about others?
Super Singer.
Is that really a reality show or just is all scripted or what?
Super Singer is a very good reality show.
Reality show. Okay.
It was good. The crew and the judges, everything compared to the reality shows, like not all the reality shows that
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
like whatever I had direct experiences in, Super Singer is really good. The only thing is we won't get the songs that we opt for most of the times. It's just about the copywriting and everything. And of course, like it is a reality show, and the channel has to look for their TRP as well. For that sake, there was like a to. But in general, Super Singer was very good.
ఎలిమినేషన్స్ అవన్నీ రియల్ గానే ఉంటాయా ఆర్ లైక్ ర్యాంకింగ్ ప్రకారమే ఉంటాయి కదా?
Regarding the elimination, sometimes we had difference in opinion, but ultimately we don't know what is the cause of eliminating this and this contestant.
So were you involved in that process, elimination process? Were contestants also involved?
No, I wasn't.
Not about only you, just other contestants, ఇంకా వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు కదా. సో అందరి ఒపీనియన్ తీసుకొని అలా జడ్జెస్ ఇస్తారు, లైక్ డైరెక్ట్ జడ్జెస్ ఒపీనియన్ అనేది?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay.
But as far as we saw on stage, and it was almost fair. The elimination was almost fair, but we don't know, for some reason we feel ki some contestants should have made till final.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
So yeah, should made till finale, and
They must have been to the
no.
final.
Yeah. So that
It's just their potential.
It's just I don't know what is the reason for eliminating them. I don't know, but comparatively, take like holistically approaching, Super Singer was fair.
Okay. So ఏది బెటర్ రియాలిటీ షో, తెలుగునా కేరళనా?
ఏంటి
రియాలిటీ షోస్ లో ఏది బెస్ట్, కేరళనా? యాజ్ యూ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ కేరళ ఆల్సో, విచ్ వాస్ ద బెస్ట్, తెలుగు ఆర్ కేరళ వన్? తెలుగు. See, we Telugu people are nice.
I'm not saying Malayalam is
No,
bad.
I'm just
But I had better experience in Telugu. For me personally, okay.
Okay.
Of course, Super 4 gave me a very good opening to music industry. I'm not saying that, but it's just about how I felt personally about that show and how I was treated in that show. It's not like the Super Singer crew pampered me, nothing like that. But
Do they pamper you?
no, nothing like
everyone is equal,
the
right?
crew was really fair, really fair. The only complaint we had ki we sometimes na we feel ki okay, I should have sung that song.
You don't select your songs?
No, like we can give options, but the
Okay.
only thing is there it depends on the copyright
Okay.
and everything. And there are a lot of things
It's
that
some
sometimes we
technical
feel I should
I missed it. So
I-
what was that song you felt like, oh, I should have sing that?
I and
There must be one song, right?
yeah, there is actually there are a lot actually. First
Telugu song or
Telugu
some
song,
Telugu song?
yeah. First song was Ninnu Kori Varna. Ninnu Kori Varna. I begged the crew.
Please give it to me.
Because I already knew the entire lyrics. I
Okay.
had so I don't need to learn a new song. No, that's
You by hearted it so
yeah,
well.
yeah.
Can you sing for us?
Sure.
As I have already said, your kids will have a Spotify premium for lifetime.
నా తలపు నా వలపు నీదేనంట పరువాల పరదాలు తీసే పూట కలవాలి కరగాలి నీతోనంట పలికించాలి స్వాగతం పండించాలి జీవితం నీకు నాకు ఈ క్షణం కాని రాగ సంగమం నీ జ్ఞాపకం నాలోన సాగిను వేళ సరసగు నిన్ను కోరి వర్ణం వర్ణం సరి సరి కలిసేనే నయనం నయనం ఉరికిన వాగలు తులకరి కవితల్లే తలపులు కదిలేను చెలిమది విరిసేనే రవిగుణ రఘురామ అనుదినము నిన్ను కోరి వర్ణం వర్ణం సరి సరి కలిసేనే నయనం నయనం.
So sweet.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
చాలా బాగా పాడారు. ఒక సిల్లీ క్వశ్చన్ అనుకోకండి. When you singer sing song, you close your eyes. Why is that? Just to feel the song or?
Feel the song and initially for me it was like okay, I had this anxiety kind of thing.
The notes?
Tackle the notes and to reach highs and
That's the doubt I always had in my head. బా ఎందుకు కదా అంటారా అని. అండ్ మూవీస్ లో కూడా మూవీ సాంగ్స్ జస్ట్ డోంట్ మైండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఎ టెరిబుల్ సింగర్. కొంచెమే సాధిస్తే మీరు రియాలిటీ షో పడేటప్పుడు ఇంత ఇలా అని చెప్పి సాధిస్తారు. అరే మేము ఏది వినాలి, ఇది వినాలా, అది వినాలా. సో ఐ లైక్ యూ జస్ట్ give it a very good emotion. You sing really well. I liked your voice.
thank you.
So sweet. What do you do for the practice for your vocals? What kind of, do you do any training or practice daily?
Yeah, I do my sadhakam daily.
Sa?
Like daily morning practice. We
Okay.
call it sadhakam.
Okay, okay.
Hindustani we call it the riyaz.
Okay.
For Carnatic it's sadhaka. I do my sadhaka. I don't skip my sadhaka. That's the only thing that I don't skip in my life.
So it's a necessary thing.
Yeah, it has become a habit.
Okay.
So that I do early morning 5
o'clock?
5
So
5.
like, is it, it has to be done in 5 o'clock or it can?
No, but if you could do that early in the morning, that would train help to open up your voice a lot.
Like, do you singers have any kind of diet or some kind of drink so that you have to keep your vocals so perfect?
It's not. If you can follow a diet, that's the best thing. But I don't follow a diet.
As you are a foodie, you mentioned.
Yeah,
So it must be difficult for you to follow a diet.
So I like to try experiment with a lot different variety of foods. But what I do is before any recording or performance, I try to avoid spice, too much spice.
Will that affect your vocals? Like what kind of
that-
food will affect your vocals?
Personally, for me, Perugu.
Perugu.
I like Perugu, but before recording, I don't have, because that will cause that will close my vocals. A lot of strain. Perugu, oil, spice, a lot of spice. I don't.
ఇంకొక డౌట్ ఏంటంటే సిల్లీ డౌటే, స్టేజ్ మీద మీకు ఎప్పుడు దగ్గులు తుమ్ములు రావా? Won't you get any cough or sneeze on stage while singing?
I haven't got sneezing yet, but this
While performing,
while performing, if we are recovering from a very bad throat infection, there is a chance for us to get cough.
like if you're take it as you are performing in Super Singers on stage recording, you got a cough, will that be edited or same as will you have to sing?
No, that won't be edited.
That won't be edited. You have to sing. Will they give chance to start again?
If
or
that cough is very genuine and very bad, they might give a second chance to start from where it got stopped. But
Okay.
it would be shown.
okay, it would be shown. It would be telecasted.
Yeah.
Have you ever had your that oops moment?
No, luckily I didn't have.
I hope though. But any kind of mischievous things you did on Super Singers?
Mischievous thing.
What was your bond like with your other
I
contestants?
had a very good bond. I still have a very good bond with all the contestants. Not all the contestants, yeah. Like
Some
most-
might be have your like everyone have a best friend at every place, in office, in home. So who was your best friend in Super Singer?
Hemant, Mahati.
Yeah, okay. Like what was the situation that got you into having a best
Mahati, I knew Mahati from 2021 only. So
Okay.
we have been sharing a very good bond since then. And luckily I got her as my roommate during Super Singer. I wanted, because I wanted a lot of emotional support at that time. Okay. Because things were getting tough, schedule by schedule, the competition was getting tougher, and she used to support me a lot. She is supporting me a lot, and especially with the lyrics and everything. Hemant and Mahati.
So they would explain you in like, or they help you in formatting.
They used to sit around me and like, what stupidity are you singing? This is not supposed to be pronounced like this. This is that.
It must be have been hectic for them to teach you.
yeah, exactly. But they used to teach me like, I sang the song.
My favorite song.
I used to say chuttam rastavi chusellipotavi. They were like, why are you singing plain? It should be chuttam rastavi chusellipotavi. That kind of expression used to be you should be. So I was a very big headache to everyone, but luckily I had them. I still have them in my life.
So while teaching, were they scolding you or like some kind of? Friends do actually criticize us a lot.
Friends does
So
that.
what kind of word they use? Do they use any Telugu word? Well, తిట్టడం అంటారు కదా, ఎలాగైనా తిట్టవాలా ఏమైనా వర్డ్ తో?
पकौड़ी.
పకోడీ.
पकौड़ी मतलब
वो पकौड़ी खाने का चीज होता है.
पिच्ची. They used to call
Pichi.
me yadava. They used
पागल.
Pagal is a pan India word.
Pan India word. Mental.
Yadava they used to call me.
Yadava. What you call them? Did you learn any putulu from them?
The first word that they taught me was yadava.
Oh, in Telugu. First word the yadava.
Yadava, donga,
Can you sing the Telugu version of it or only Malayalam?
Malayalam. I don't know the lyrics. I'm not sure.
You sang in Telugu?
No, I sang in Malayalam.
Can you sing for us?
താരമെല്ലാം ദൂരെ ദൂരെ താണ്ടുവാനേറെ മിഴിയിൽ വന്നു വീഴും മുന്നേ ചെയ്യുവാനേറെ മാറുവാനുറപ്പേകിടം തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ പുതിയ പാത ചേരും താനേ തേടുവാനേറെ ഒരു മാത്ര ചൊല്ലാം മറുമാത്ര ചൊല്ലാം ഇനി എന്നും അറിവിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥങ്ങൾ തേടി നീ താരമെല്ലാം ദൂരെ ദൂരെ താണ്ടുവാനേറെ മിഴിയിൽ വന്ന് വീടും മുന്നേ ചെയ്യുവാനേറെ.
So nice.
Thank you.
So I'll ask some hypothetical questions. If you're okay, you can answer them. So if you are given a chance to sing for a famous actress or actor, actress or actor, who would you want to voice for?
I want to. Of course, I am a girl. I'll be voicing a female actress only.
No, in duet song.
Okay, in movie.
Yeah.
Vikram sir.
Oh, you have like your favorite hero?
Vikram sir, Madhavan sir.
Madhavan. Okay. What's your favorite song in any of one of them?
Vikram sir. Oh, bro, that's a very tough question to ask.
That's why I asked it.
There are a lot of songs. Vikram sir, this song, any song from Abarichitudu. Any song from Aparichitudu and any song from Sakhi.
Like one song that you think of that movie, like suddenly, if you were asked to sing from that movie, you can sing that song.
Snehidane for Madhavan sir
Okay.
from movies. I know the Tamil version.
We can understand. It's the same song. I can feel the song. So nice, so nice. So another question: if you got married, you have your husband one side, and you said Vikram Garu your favorite. Vikram Garu or Madhavan Garu came and proposed you. Just hypothetical. Would you choose them?
No.
No. You said.
Huh?
You said you like them, right?
But after I married, how can I choose them?
Very valuable. Very reasonable. You can get married after 2 years?
I don't know. I don't have a timeline in my mind. Whenever it feels like, whenever I feel ki I am with the right person. I feel my right person.
What a right person ki undalsina qualities enti? Me right person ki undalsina
Respect.
Respect you? Okay.
Respect, not only me, general respect.
Okay.
Respect, understanding, love, and
Any appearance qualities, looks wise?
appearance. Matlab, I will respect a person who carry themselves in a very good way. It's not like there should be he should be fair, he should be tall, nothing like that. But the way he respect himself. A person who respect himself first of all will be able to respect the other person as well. If a person is having a lot of insecurities, that will be a problem.
By this I got another doubt, like music industry lo elanti racism, like any differences emanna untaya?
I haven't faced anything.
Have you ever heard of them, like body shaming or any kind of
Sorry?
body shaming or any kind of criticism,
Body
like
shaming?
looks paranga will they judge you on your appearance or any kind?
I don't know. I'm not sure because I'm not sure about that because I directly haven't had any had such kind of an experience. I don't know. I
have no
yeah,
experience.
so I don't think it's right to make an opinion.
So what kind of, like, do you singers have any kind of lifestyles or any kind of expenses that we have to maintain this, we have to do this for?
First thing is we have to be healthy. Like generally people have to be healthy. People has to be healthy.
Yeah.
So that affects a lot for singers as well because if our health is gone, so me personally, I am a person whose stomach is like crazy. My stomach, I can't have outside food at all.
Somewhat picky,
Very picky.
but homemade, like
No, but even like I am a foodie, that is very tough for me to say no to outside food as well. That's the toughest battle that I have to do on a daily basis. But So usually what I have observed is whenever my tummy gets upset, that affects my gontu really really bad.
Oh, connection to
Connection.
that.
Yeah, so all these acid reflex things happen and gontu will be all inflammation and everything. All this
Okay.
happens. So in general, we have to eat on time. That is really really important. Eat on time.
Eat
Pakka.
on time.
Eat on
Anything.
anything.
Eat on time.
I eat on time. And if you could follow any proper diet, that is best and
Okay.
that's the best thing.
What song you can think of when you have food in front of you? One song.
I don't usually think
Think
of
of
that
anything
when
except food?
No, I watch something, but no, food is
Food is everything.
Yeah.
Food is love.
food is love.
Okay, if you like another not just suppose question. If you have a boyfriend and he's proposing you in songs, not in words, what kind of songs would you choose him to sing for you?
That's a very good question. Even I haven't thought of that.
You should think. I mean, if someone is interested in you, it might help him. Someone might impress you.
I don't want anyone to impress me.
Come on,
Nothing
don't
like
say that. Man, like boys have been
I want somebody to understand. That's more important. All
Okay,
these,
okay. After your relationship, knowing each other, if he's planning to propose you, he should know something about like she likes this song. In song proposing.
That is a very no.
You haven't given a thought about it till
I
now.
really
I
haven't.
can see that.
Yeah, I really haven't thought of that. Maybe I should think about it.
Yeah, you should. Maybe I'm asking all the questions that you haven't thought about.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you watch Telugu movies?
Yeah, recently as a part of this Telugu learning,
You are learning Telugu?
not like proper learning, but
Only for singing.
Yeah, only for singing, and I find it very interesting to speak Telugu. It feels so good whenever I try to talk in Telugu. So as a part of that, I am trying to see a lot of Telugu movies. I watched Hit 3.
Hit 3 house.
How
did you feel about it? It's all
blood raktam.
blood raktam.
It's nice. It's a very engaging, so gripping. I like the movie.
So, have you thought of any song in that? Oh, maybe I should have sing this.
No, in Hit 3 there is a very little scope for music, right? Very little
But
scope.
I think only 2 or 3
two.
songs. Which you like the most?
No, I haven't listened.
Come on, you saw Hit 3.
I saw Hit 3, but I didn't try to observe the song.
So, okay. I'll ask kind of rapid questions. Okay. And, who do you like the most in heroes?
In
Heroes. Tamil, like in Kerala, Kannada?
Kannada, I don't know.
Sorry, Malayalam.
Malayalam.
Malayalam and Telugu. Who do you like the most? You shouldn't think. I think this will be the most hated interview you will ever have.
No, I like Vikram sir. I like Madhavan sir.
In Telugu?
Telugu, maybe I just started watching all Telugu movies. No,
Okay.
I should give it some more time.
Come on, you can say Prabhas also.
Prabhas, I like him in Bahubali, but I haven't watched any other movies.
It's okay. We'll consider it as Prabhas.
Okay.
It's upcoming.
Okay.
Okay. So, would you, if you get a chance to acting, would you do that?
Acting.
No. So you look good. Some directors might give you a chance.
No, I don't do acting. I'm a very bad actor. You can see all my reels. It's the same expression, same kind of singing. No, I don't find myself as an actor anyway.
Okay. If you want to pair up with any male singer for a duet, who would you want to sing beside someone?
Karthik sir.
Karthik sir.
Karthik sir, Vijay Prakash sir, Arjit Singh.
Can you sing any song of Arjit Singh from? So you listen to Bollywood? What's your favorite? Can you sing the favorite one?
I'll sing Ayat.
Ayat.
Ayat is from Bajirao Mastani.
Okay.
It's a very nice song. I love that song. मेरे दिल की राहतों का तू जरिया बन गई है, तेरे इश्क की मेरे दिल में कई दम बन गए हैं, तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है, तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है, इबादत की तरह तुझे याद कर लिया है, ओ तुझे याद कर लिया है, आयत की तरह।
So nice.
Thank you.
So that's our question. Do you want anything to say? Okay, I'll ask one more question. What are the advices you can give to the newcomers right now? Any kind of advices?
Singers.
Yeah.
New. I am. I don't consider myself as a very
No,
singer.
you must have a
Yeah.
struggle or any kind of journey.
Yeah.
According to that,
Uh,
some might still
practice is the first thing. Without practice you can't sing good.
according to the industries or anything.
Yeah, so this industry demands variety. So if you want to sing a lot of songs that belongs to lot of genres, your gontu has to be very flexible. For that you have to practice. And the other thing is, music industry is very dynamic. It will be very good if you have a parallel career.
Okay.
And the other thing is, try to know the technical aspects of music making, how a song is being produced. Try to write lyrics, try to compose, try to learn music production, because all the technical because AI, even AI is making music. Kada.
Yeah.
So we have to be very
different.
Yeah.
Are you writing your own lyrics or any kind of songs?
Yes. My first composition, my first original, my first independent original is getting released this June, by June end.
So
It's a Hindi song.
Hindi song. So you are giving an entry in Hindi.
Yeah.
So any other projects you are having in your hand right now?
I have a couple of Tamil projects.
Tamil projects.
Tamil.
So you got opportunities after Super Singer.
And from the reels that I post,
Okay.
a lot of independent artists approaches me.
Like,
for
what kind of bond you have in Super Singer with the Super Singer judges? Like
I have a very good bond, because all of them been very, very supportive and understanding.
do they help in your?
Yeah. So including my mentor Shivana and all the judges, everybody was so supportive, and especially I came from a very different place, so they had that consideration. It's not like I got a special treatment or nothing like that, but they were considerate enough to understand my difficulty of things, my side of things. అందంగాలేన అసలేం బాలేన నీడో జోడో కాననా అలుసైపోయానా అసలే నీ కాన వేషాలు చాలే పొమ్మనా అందంగాలేన అసలేం బాలేన నీడో జోడో కాననా. For more updates, subscribe to IDTV. మన ఉనికి మన వాణి.